Hey, what's up guys? So today I got a short video for you guys. I am going to be reviewing Magic Spoon cereal here, okay? I am not sponsored or anything like that. I've just been seeing a lot of people talk about this type of cereal. It's pretty much like the healthiest cereal you can eat. I want to see how good it tastes compared to what regular cereal is like with sugar. I love cereal a lot, but I can't eat a lot of it. As you know, it's a lot of sugar. I would be too big. I would get too big eating cereal, but I love it. So if this is pretty much a healthy type of cereal here, Magic Spoon, a different alternative to fix your craving. It has 0 grams of sugar, 3 grams of net carbs per serving, and 11 grams of protein. So this is pretty good for a good source of protein. If we read the nutritional value, for a serving size is 3/4 of a cup and only 110 calories and 10 total carbohydrates, 10 grams. Wow, I'm just surprised that this has no sugar in these cereals, and low calories and a good source of protein. So I got the variety pack from Magical. Is it called Magical? Yeah, it's called Magic Spoon cereal. The art is pretty cool on these boxes. Looks pretty cool. We got chocolate flavor right here. I got the this is the fruity flavor, Fruity Pebble flavor. I think it's supposed to be Fruity Pebble flavored. We got blueberry right here, and then we got the frosted flavor. Okay, so first one we're gonna try chocolate. Okay, so first one is chocolate. I like to give it a little mix. Pretty much the shape is like a Cheerio, chocolate Cheerio, so let's give it a bite. Okay. That's delicious. It's not as sweet as like your, Cocoa Puffs and stuff like that, but you do get the chocolate flavor from here. It is turning the milk into chocolate milk. It's not as sweet, but you do taste strong, really good strong chocolate flavor. It has I would say, just an aftertaste of like what protein powder would taste at the end, but it's not strong. It's a good cereal. It can fix your craving for sure. Chocolate one's really good. I like it. I like it. It fixes my craving. Cravings if I am craving chocolate cereal. I mean, is it better than Cocoa Puffs in terms of just taste? No, but it's pretty second to what it's good. Also, if you're not if you don't have a sweet tooth like me, this is actually probably in your alley. So, yeah, chocolate. First one so far, not bad. Next, the fruity ones. This is the fruity flavor right here. We're gonna eat that. Okay, next one is the fruity cereal. It looks like the color of Fruity Pebbles, but a little bit lighter, kind of like light. Like it reminds me of spring. Smells like Fruity Pebbles, which is a great thing. I'm actually kind of surprised. Let's see. Let's give us a bite. This is gluten-free too, I think. This is awesome. It fixes all your cravings of what you like with Fruity Pebbles. It has the same taste. It's sweet too, but not too overly sweet. Just sweet enough. Oh my gosh. And I'm actually enjoying this cereal. The crunch is awesome. I don't know how they're doing it with this one, but yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. Well, they're all shaped like Cheerios. They have a nice crunch. Fruity Pebbles is good. Very good. Next, we're going blueberry. Next one is the blueberry cereal. I'm hoping it tastes like blueberries. Like I said, same shape. Let's give it a try. It's not bad. It's not bad. It definitely tastes like the blueberry flavoring. It's not sweet at all. It's not sweet at all. There's just tastes like cereal with like a hint of blueberry powder or something. There's no sweetness to it at all. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I mean, you got to really crave this to really want it, but I think it can help you out. Like it's something to eat. It's not bad. It's okay. It's okay. All I'm gonna say is it's okay. It's not bad. It's not good. It just tastes like kind of like blueberry essence with cereal. So doesn't blow me away, but it's healthy for you. Last one we got next is a frosted cereal. So hopefully frosted, you think of sugar pretty much. Let's see how sweet this can be. Last one, guys, frosted cereal. When you think of Frosted Flakes, you think of like that white sugar coating on that cornflake. This is just a yellow, just looks yellow. I don't see any frostedness to it, but hopefully it's sweet or it tastes good. No. That's a little weird. This one's a little weird. It tastes like Lucky Charms, the marshmallow. It has that marshmallow flavor kind of thing to it, but it's not sweet. And tastes almost like powdery, in a weird powdery way. Again, not bad, but not great. I mean, it's like I can eat this. It's tolerable. It can fix my cereal craving. But would I choose it? Probably not. But I mean, it's not bad. But definitely weird. Probably, yeah, it's not great. It's not the best, but it's edible. It's eatable. It's eatable. I mean, it's not like super bad, but it's good. It's not super good. Just you can eat it, all right? But yeah. So like I said, quick video. Magic Spoon cereal. I would say my favorite would be the fruity ones. That really hit home. If you guys buy it, I think the fruity one is the best. I think it's pretty close to what like Fruity Pebbles tastes like, but less sweet. These cereals are less sweet because there is no sugar in here. Of course, it's gonna be less sweet, but honestly, with the Fruity Pebble and chocolate, even with the blueberry, if you guys just don't have a sweet tooth at all, these cereals actually would be like a great alternative for you guys to eat. Like I said, a lot of health benefits. 11 grams of protein, 3 grams of net carbs for a serving. I just ate 4 bowls of cereal, and I think I only ate like under 300 calories, so that's pretty awesome. Now, what I would say is this: regular cereal with all the sugar hopped up, it tastes 100 times better. There's no doubt about it. But if you are someone who is trying to eat healthier, get in shape, eat cleaner, and miss eating some of your favorite foods like cereal, who doesn't love cereal? I would say go with the Magic Spoon for sure. Because honestly, some of this, I would say the fruity one and chocolate actually taste better than like normal cereal. These are really good. Blueberry and frosted, they're not bad. They will fix your craving, but yeah, for the health benefits and fixing your craving and the taste, I would say this is probably the best, healthiest cereal brand ever, and it actually tastes pretty good. Certainly, like I said, Fruity is the best. In terms of pricing, this is not cheap. They are not cheap. For the variety pack, it costs about $40. So you think about it, it's about $10 a box. Now, if you can afford this and you like to work out and eat clean, by all means, support the company. That's awesome. But if you are someone that, like I probably can't be buying this every week. I could probably buy this once a month. But at least, if you are trying to get in shape and fit and you are craving cereal, you do have this, and this helps you. This actually gives you protein. So, my review on this is that it's delicious. I definitely recommend and try it. You guys can check out I'll have the information in my description. Check them out. Definitely give it a try. See if you like it. I like it. I think it'll be great. It's gonna fix my cravings when I work out. And I would say try the variety pack because you might like you can decide which one you like the best. But for me, guarantee if you want to buy something really delicious, get this fruity one right here, the Fruity Pebble flavored kind of one, okay, with the dinosaur. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. And hey, Magic Spoon cereal, man, pretty awesome. All right, take care. Goodbye.